Hello everyone, my name is Madison Forbes and this is my internship presentation. So the company that I worked for is called Liquid Health and they are located in Mesquite, Nevada. So for those who don't know where that is, that's in between St. George and Las Vegas. They specialize in liquid supplements. And they have been in business for over 20 years now, and they were founded by Alma Matson, who runs the company, and they also have multiple sister companies that they run from there as well. So some of my daily assignments, so my main assignments that I had to complete each week were 6 blog posts. And so I was able to get better at researching blog posts and working on the SEO. And so that was a good learning experience, or has been. I guess I'm still there. I also have had to write captions for the Instagram and Facebook posts. The digital marketing manager there, she creates a lot of the content, and then I would go in and write captions for the content that she would create. Then I spent a lot of time engaging with followers and also posting to our stories on social media. So some of the projects that I was given, so one project, I think my first project I was given was to design a series of posts for social media. And so along with what the digital marketing manager created, I also had my own series of posts that we would post occasionally. I also had to build, and I'm still building, an Instagram account for their private label company there. And so I've been taking a lot of photographs, creating graphics and video, and I had to come up with a target audience, a brand, and a style guide. And and I'll be here at this internship for another few months, so I was told there would be a possibility of redesigning the website for that private label company. And I'll go and show you those websites and their Instagram pages. So this is that private label website. So it would be a lot of work, but I think it would be very beneficial to have this redesigned. But this is their main website, Liquid Health. And then they also have a Liquid Health Pets. And then they have a prenatal vitamin, a clear voice spray for singers and vocalists, and then they also have another kind of like a private label business, or just a little different. And then, so this is the Instagram page for Liquid Health. And this is not the one that I built from the ground up, but this is the main one that we both work on. But yeah, and then this is the Instagram page for the pets page. This one does a lot better with engagement. People just love pets way more than people supplements. So yeah, there is that. I don't have the Instagram page that I have been building yet. It's still in the works. Like I said, I'm going to be there for another few months still. So what I learned, so I was able to learn a lot more about SEO. I knew a little bit just from different classes I had taken, but really not that much. So I was able to learn more about that and improve that. I was able to improve my design skills a ton, um, and especially my knowledge of Illustrator and Photoshop. Um, just because I do a lot with Illustrator, not so much with Photoshop, but mostly with Illustrator. I use it every single day there. Um, for the Instagram page that I'm working on, I also learned a lot about After Effects and Premiere, those different Adobe software programs, and was able to learn how to animate graphics. And I recently just finished a little animated video for that Instagram page. Um, and I also gained some more experience building a social media plan. And that is kind of the basics of what I've been learning. But yeah, thanks for watching.